Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and today we are making a kinetic sand kind-ish. Look, this is my other one that I made earlier, and here's the one that my sister made earlier. So now let's get started in the video. So the first thing we're gonna add in is our sugar. So we added that in, so we need a mixing tool with that. So, and if you guys have a bubble bath jiggly soap, use it. If you have any bubble bath jiggly soap like this, use it. Watch how it plops out. So now we're just gonna. Can you turn that down? That is really annoying. So. Okay, so now I am done with that. I'm just gonna keep mixing until it revolves into kinetic sand. So shouldn't be messy at all or anything, so it should be good. It shouldn't be messy. It shouldn't be like, like that dirty, nasty stuff ish. So now we're gonna grab the yellow, and I'm just gonna pour a bit of yellow in because I love yellow. I don't love yellow, so we're just gonna put a little yellow in. I hate yellow. If you guys are out there with me saying you guys hate yellow, good. Subscribe. A little more yellow in there. I don't want to use all this because I can't find my blue and green of these, so I'm not going to use them all. Because now we're just going to pour this one in, this color, this one. I might just pour it all in. This only has a little in, so I'm just going to pour it. Didn't mean to do that, but whatever, poured it all in. So. I think we're just gonna have a little more yellow today. This is literally all gone. What kind of sense does that make? Oh, there's this one. That's in here, so we're just going to looking else in there. Now we're just going to try to look for the blue and green. Just found some. Found some green. Take me somewhere. Oh my God. I should have a lollipop. This is a kinetic sound. I just made kinetic sound. Not messy. My hands are clean. So this should be a great work. So see y'all, subscribe down below in the notification bell, and bye.